Okay, so let's do something with denim jeans, or you can do it with denim shorts or skirt or jacket, whatever you like. So this is Jhalak and welcome to my channel Sassy on Day. Today I am going to show you how I painted my jeans. I thought to do something different which could give me a really cool look. So here I have painted one leg of my jeans with a different pattern and other with a different pattern. And the different thing with this denim painting is that I have done it at the back of my jeans. I know you must have seen paintings on the front part including the back part, but what I have done is I have kept the front part really simple as it is like a normal jeans, but I have given it a very cool look at the back part. So let's see what I did with my denim jeans. Come on.
So here we are going to use denim jeans. So have a look and then we'll start.
So I'm going to use some Fabrica acrylic color which I use for fabric painting, and some acrylic color with medium 1, which helps in converting acrylic color into fabric color. Now I'll mix one part of medium 1 and 2 part of acrylic color with each other. Here I have just taken a sponge and dip it into the color that I have prepared, and I'll just dab it on my denim so that I can get a mixed texture. And yes, I forgot to put the newspaper for safety, although the layer is thick and the paint is also thick, but still for the safety purpose I'm just putting it. Now when I'll move to the other color, before that I'll clean my sponge so that other shade doesn't get mixed up.
Okay, now I have done with the acrylic color and I'll move towards the Fabrica color. I have taken light green shade of Fabrica color and I'll directly put it on my denim jeans without mixing medium with it.
So once I have created my base, now I'll make design on my denim. So here I'm making a flower. You can do whatever you like, and
I want my base to get a highlighted vibe, so that's why I'm using plain black color to make my flower.
And now here I have done my one side. Now on the other side I'm going to create some kind of stroke look.
You can also use tape to get clean and finished look. I'm doing it directly.
You can do it with the way you prefer. You can also wash this painting that you have done, but go with a gentle wash. Once I have done with my both side, I leave it for 2-3 hours to dry. Then when it dries up, I'm gonna take a butter paper and put it over my painting, and then I'll iron that area. Do not use the iron directly, otherwise the color will stick to your iron. Now the whole procedure is complete. Denim jeans is ready with the permanent look, and here's how my painting looks like. If you like my flats, then click on the play card or the I button that appears at the top of your screen.
If you like my video, then hit the subscribe and like button and let me know your views in the comment section down below.
And stay happy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.